Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make delicious chicken breast, my favorite iftar recipe. I start off by grabbing my chicken breast, I cut off all the fat and then I cut it in half. I also dice it a little bit so that the sauces could go and penetrate the chicken. I then get some parsley and cut it into pieces and just put it on top. These are the sauces I use. I'm using Clubhouse Montreal steak and Nador Moulin Rouge seasoning for chefs. I'm adding also some heavy cream, minced garlic, and blended lemon. You could just squeeze a lemon as an alternative. I'm also adding a tablespoon of my own spices. You don't have to add that, it's optional, and the food tastes really good without it. After letting it rest for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature, I put it on my pan at medium to high heat and let each side rest for 8 minutes. Here you could see I'm adding more oil to the pan because the chicken breast does absorb a lot of the oil, but here is your final product.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't make thumbs up, like you share. Bye. حلى أوقاتي يا ربي صلاتي